Okay, this is the next project that I'm going to get started on. I've got this laundry closet here that I need to build a platform for our washing machines. A couple years ago, one of our washing machines broke on us, and we had to replace it with a newer version of the same machine, but it didn't line up with our shelf, so we couldn't attach it, and we put this board on here to set it on, but it's very problematic. When you rinse it in the spin cycle that is fast, it starts to slide all over the place. That's why we've got this sign here, medium spin only. So what I want to do is remove these and build a platform that they can sit on top of, and see if we can't fix that, get them both level and better organized in here. So that's what I'm going to start working on this week. So let's get to it. Okay, the idea here is to frame out a floor platform that'll go all the way across, and it'll come out to the edge here, and that should give me plenty of room, and I'll have it raised up high enough that I can slip these cabinets underneath if I want to, or we can replace it with something else. But that's the goal, so I think I'm ready to start building that frame. Okay, so my boards are 67 inches. So because of that, I want to put the center braces on 16-inch centers. It's not going to be perfect, so I'm going to go just to the right of 16 inches. So I'll mark off 16, and then I'll attach my cross braces to the right of 16. And then I'll just take this one out to the end. It'll be off a couple of inches, but that's not a problem. Okay, I want the frame to come up flush with this front wall here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a 3.5 inch section out of this trim, 18 inches off the floor, and then 3 5/8 up from that. I want to have a little bit of play with the frame. Okay, I need to put some braces here, a couple of legs. I'm going to put 3 across here, and I need to cut out so that it'll fit around that tile trim. So I'll mark it right here, and then I'll put it up here and mark the bottom. That'll tell me exactly how much I need to cut out. Okay, I've lowered my table saw blade to right there on the line. So that's how much I'm going to cut out. And then I've got it right on the line there. So I'm going to carve out that much of that support. I'm just using the table saw. there it is. One down, two more to go. Okay, I got all three of my legs cut out. So now what I want to do is take my 1/4 inch round over a bit and run it around the bottom here. It's good to have that on the bottom of legs or leg supports because it keeps it from splitting. So let me go ahead and take care of that. All right, these guys are all routed over and ready to install. All right, we need to find where in the wall our studs are. I know there's going to be one around this outlet. It's either going to be on the left side or the right side. So let's see if I can figure that out. Looks like it's on the right side of that outlet box, so that's where I'm going to mount my first support. Okay, I got my leg supports installed. I had to move that one. There were metal plates protecting the electrical wires all up and down, so I had to move it over to another stud closer to the corner. But I think I'll be okay with that. Okay, I got my frame built, and I've got 16 on center all the way across, except for this last one here. This one's 17 inches, but that's as good as I could get with the measurements that I was dealt with. But let's go see if this thing fits. Okay, I ended up making a couple more leg supports, one for each side. And then I made this small pony wall to support the front. I've been able to walk on this and it's really solid, so I'm not worried about how much weight's going to be on it. Should be good to go. So that's as far as I got this week, so talk to you guys later.